PT Reorder Paragraphs is one of the difficult tasks. And in this tutorial, in the next 5 to 6 minutes, I will make it really easy for you guys. We will be discussing some really logical approaches and what we should do if we do not know how to solve really complex sentences within 2 minutes. Hello everyone, this is Vishale from VLE. We will be digging into reorder paragraphs, but before I start it up, little brief information about a reorder task. In the real exam, you can get somewhere around 2 to 3. On rare occasions, sometimes students do get 4 as well. So if you get 4, don't get shocked. The next thing is, with reorder paragraphs, you only can spend about 2 minutes to 2 minutes, 15, 20 seconds, max to 30. That's it. You cannot exceed 2 minutes, 30 seconds. But your average time should be somewhere around 2 minutes, 15 seconds, so that you can have time for your reading drag and drop blanks. There are a lot of students who do not have enough time to solve their drag and drop blanks, and they sometimes misses out in either 1 or 2 questions, and that's why they get really bad scores in the reading module. So make sure that you do not make that mistake. Now, let's say you get a question like this in the exam where it is not really easy to understand it. The trick is, first try to find one pair using the strategy called journal to specific. So all the journal sentences would be at the top, the specific sentences would be at the bottom. Okay, so let me show you what do I mean by journal and specific. Let's read the very first sentence over here. Indigenous people could have originally brought the fox-like creatures, also known as the Varha, to the islands. Okay, so basically it's talking about the people who were indigenous to the region. We don't know which region is it yet. And they're saying they could have brought the fox-like creatures called Vara to the islands. Now let's read number 2. Scientists have debated how the island's only land mammal journeyed to the region. To the region, that is something which I want you to keep it in mind though. By a long ago island bridge or with people. Okay, over here they talked about islands, which is very journal, but over here they talked about the region, which is specific. That means a specific region has been mentioned somewhere, then only we are specifying to it or we are referring back to it. That's when we use the article though. So if we read these 2 sentences, this sentence is more journal because over here we talk about islands. We do not specify any information. Over here, we are referring to only land mammal, which is basically a fox over here. So obviously, this is more journal in nature. And over here, with the use of article the and with other information which we have just read, we can say this is more specific. Now, we're not saying 1 and 2 are a pair. They can be, they cannot be, but we know for sure now 1 will come above 2. That's what you need to do when you come across a complex question where the words are very difficult or unknown to you. Try to make a sequence like this where you are specifying journal sentences and specific sentences. The journal sentences would be at the top, the specific would be at the bottom. That's how the reorders are structured. Okay. Now, let's do the same thing with number 3. But little evidence of a human presence before Europeans arrived in 1690 had been found. Over here, they're talking about the evidence of human presence, which they are saying in the first one as well, that maybe they could have brought the fox. They're not sure. But over here, they're saying they have debated. That means they've discussed, argued about the same thing, that how the island's only land mammal, that means they only had a fox, and obviously land mammal, journeyed to that particular region. It could be by a bridge or with people. So they're not sure, they're still debating. But over here, they're saying we got very less evidence of human presence. That means this information will obviously come after a debate. That's why this will not go above 2, but after 2. But this is indicating that 2 and 3 can be a pair as well. This is what we need to do. When we are sorting these sentences from journal to specific, we will be trying our best to find at least one pair. And that's what we're doing over here. Okay, let's do the same thing with number 4 now. But they're saying now traces of ancient fires and hunting show that Indonesia's people arrived on the Falkland Islands centuries prior to Europeans. Here they are mentioning the islands the very first time, okay? Keep that in your mind. But they are saying that researchers have reported it on 27th of October in the Science Advances, could be a seminar. But now they're saying we got evidence that fires and hunting was happening. That means this is more of a conclusion sentence. That's what you need to keep it in mind, guys. Reorder paragraphs happen with a structure, with a sequence of events. So you need to also understand it, that which event happened before, and due to that event the other occurrence of event happened. That's what's called occurrence of events or sequence of events. Now here obviously this will go at the last because that looks more of a conclusion, and that's what they are debating. Little evidence they could find earlier, but here they found some evidence. So that's why it is definitely more specific in nature. We are not sure whether 3 and 4 can be a pair because we have not read number 5th yet. But most likely it will come after all of them. Okay, because this is a conclusion where they have found the evidence which they could not earlier in these 3 sentences. Now, number 5th, the enigmatic, the now extinct Falkland Islands wolf had human visitors on the remote archipelago up to 1070 years ago. Okay, so this is definitely looking like an introduction sentence. Here they are introducing the islands because here we could not know, here we could not know. And over here they have mentioned the islands but as a conclusion. So this cannot be at the top. So this definitely would be at the top only because here we can find the name of the islands and it looks more of an independent sentence, topic sentence. That's why it's an introduction. Now here we have scored 1, which is 2 and 3, but looks like 3 and 4 can also be a pair. We are not 100% sure about 5 and 1, but we are very sure about 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. Now this is what you need to do. Try to find at least 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 1 pair if it is very complex. Do not spend a lot of time figuring out the complex reorder paragraphs because that would be a really problem sum for you because you would not have enough time for your drag and drops. Now, not every question is difficult, guys. So if you can find a story which is very simple, just try to follow the sequence, try to follow article strategy, try to follow nouns and pronouns to relation where they have mentioned nouns first. Then you can only find out pronouns, link them up, and then you can find a pair. But in a complex questions or where it is really difficult to understand, try to follow strategy which is very efficient, which is called journal to specific. Okay, now let's submit it. Amazing. Perfect scores 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what you need to do, guys, in order to do reorder paragraphs. Now to sum it up, you don't really have to get 100% in reorder paragraphs to get even 8 each. So just in case if you get something really difficult, do not waste your time over there. Try to go with the pairing method so that at least you can get about 50 to 60% of the marks and then go to the next question. I hope it was valuable, it was informative, and if it was, do not forget to subscribe us. We are growing, our channel is growing with your support only. So please continue giving us your support. And we will ensure that in return, we help you to get your PT scores. Do not forget to watch these 2 tutorials. These 2 tutorials will really help you in your PT preparation. So see you next time. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe.